How long do beagles reproduce? The prime age for a beagle to have puppies is between 2 and 7 years of age, although it is possible for this breed of dog to give birth as young as 8 months old and as late as 12 years old. The health of your beagle plays a major part to them giving birth at any of these ages. You will want to provide your beagle with some time to recover between periods of pregnancy. Often, breeders will either breed their beagle every other heat cycle or they will breed 2 heat cycles in a row and then give the beagle the next as a period of rest. Before I move on with the video, do you want to train your dog for any basic commands like sit and stay? Do you want to stop any of the behavioral problems of your dog like pooping inside the house, biting, jumping, or barking? If your answer is yes, please grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that would help you have a well-behaved, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him or her. The secret training technique cheat sheet is available for free only for a limited time from the link in the description box below. Reproduction cycle of beagles. On average, female beagles begin their heat cycles at 6 months of age. However, they may start as early as 4 months old, and some will enter it even as late as at 15 months. This can seem too early in the eyes of beagle owners, but it can occur very early in dogs' lives. You should prepare for your beagle to enter heat early in its life, just in case. Most heat cycles will last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. Since beagles enter heat every 5 to 7 months, they will enter heat about twice a year. This lasts until a female is spayed. There is no menopausal phase for female beagles, so it is suggested that they get spayed as soon as they are done being used for breeding. Otherwise, they will continue to enter their heat cycle for the rest of their life. Every so often, your beagle may finish a season without showing any signs of entering heat. This is known as silent heat. This is actually different from skipping heat, where the cycle does not occur. If you leave your female beagle unspayed, it is suggested that you do not leave it alone outside. It will possibly attract unneutered dogs to mate with it, which may cause health risks for your beagle. How long are beagles pregnant? A beagle will be pregnant for an average of 63 days from the time it conceives. It is not unusual for this pregnancy to be as short as 60 days or as long as 65 days. When starting the pregnancy process, the female beagle will eat normally. Sometimes they might have a decrease in the amount of food that they eat. This changes around week 4 of the pregnancy, where they will have an increase in hunger. They will likely eat 20 to 25% more than what they normally eat. In the overall process of being pregnant, your beagle will gain about 15 to 25% of what it weighed previously. This weight varies depending on the size of the litter, though some of the weight is from excess water used to feed pups in the womb. Before your dog gives birth, they will start to show increased nesting activity. The most surefire way of determining when your dog will give birth is by measuring its temperature. How many puppies can a beagle have per litter? Your beagle will birth an average of 6 pups in a litter, although this number can easily vary from 1 to 10 pups. It is pretty common that the size of a litter is consistent throughout a dog's life. If the litter is small initially, it will be small in the future breeding process. On the other hand, a large first litter will result in a large litter in further breeding. By the 6th week of your beagle's pregnancy, a vet will be able to take an X-ray or ultrasound so that you can prepare yourself and your home for a rough estimate of new pups. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique Guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel Little Paws Training if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.